Hey guys! Today I am going to make another piece with a ring pour, and I am going to do 3 cups on one canvas. The canvas is a little bit bigger. It's a 40 by 50 if I'm not mistaken, and I am going to use these type of colors. Normally my go-to colors are always like blue and the green. I really love the phthalo blue, phthalo green. When you mix it up you have the phthalo turquoise, but yeah, you can't keep making the same pieces or keep using the same colors. So I thought maybe I should go a little bit more vibrant and use like orange and red and yellow. So I tried it with these 2 pieces and I kind of like it. So I wanted to make it a little bit bigger. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to use, but I'm not going to use the green. I really love this piece, but today I'm going to go for this one, which is with Prussian blue. Pearl black, Prussian blue that I mixed together. That's this color that is here in the middle, as you can see. And then I'm going to use the red, the orange and the yellows. They're all different. I have a yellow, lemon yellow, something like that. Then I have cadmium deep yellow, then I have cadmium orange, vermilion. Then I also use some of my crimson red, the crimson red, and then you have the blue. So let me get this one a little bit closer. As you can see here, the lines really hold, and that's because my paint is a little bit thicker. So yeah, I am going to go for that as well in this painting. So if you like more cells popping up and stuff like that, and that your rings don't really have those lines and like more blend in, then you can make your paint a little bit thinner. It's all up to you. So I like my paints a little bit thicker. As you can see, then you really get the lines very obvious on your painting. Paint mix is in the description. So I am going to do another pour on a bigger canvas with this same consistency and those type of colors. So hope you liked the video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!